One of the questions we get all the time, and unfortunately I wish I did a better job of marketing it, is the studio can be broke down and moved. So to answer your question, yes, absolutely. We probably move 40 a year on average. The studio can be dismantled and reassembled in a new or redesigned location or an existing one, but there is a fee. Just contact us, I'll explain. But in this video, I'd just like to explain what happens. We fly an installer to your location on a Monday to break down the studio. Now, it looks easy, but don't be fooled. The plastic cannot, or the studio cannot be dismantled without the plastic being totally broke off the steel. That includes breaking all the plastic off and removing all the adhesive. That takes anywhere from 6 to 8 hours to dismantle it, clean it up, break it down, and put it in the back of a U-Haul. Then we take it to the next location. That same night, the very next morning, Tuesday, we start reassembling it. That's 3 days or 30 hours, whichever way you want to look at it. That's a 4-day process. When we're done, you will have a brand new booth. So we clean the steel, replace brand new adhesive, brand new plastic, we caulk all the seams, brand new cloth top, because believe it or not, you're not getting 24, 26, 28 feet of cloth out of your back dealership without it being filthy. So brand new top, brand new wheels. It's a brand new booth. Yes, we can move the studio. We do it 40 times a year minimum, and it's easy.